Hi students, so this question is 2024 Feb, second shift, Feb 1, okay, first, second shift question paper. So try to look at this. This is a physics paper. So try to solve here. So I will solve here. Please see if you have any doubt. So please see here. So key also I will give you for this solution with proper key. So I have few questions. Let us solve the few questions. Okay. So first question, if you see here, first question is directly came from the uh, what is that? Thermodynamics. So see here, what is the information is given? Is the process is isobaric, which means pressure is constant. So the work done by isobaric process is 200 joules. Adiabatic constant is given. Adiabatic exponential of the gas is 1.4. Find the heat supplied by the gas during this process. So first thing, process is adiabatic process. So uh, isobaric process. So in isobaric, pressure is constant. Okay. So in that case, that what was the your heat n cp dt. This is what your heat energy given formula. Okay, so what is your cp is cv into gamma. So you can substitute here n cv gamma dt. So n gamma you can write. What is your cv you know already, r by gamma minus 1. So n cv n gamma dt. cv you can write r by gamma minus 1. Okay. So here for a while he's not given any information about the number of moles. So let it consider as a 1 mole. Gamma value is given here, gamma, and what else is not okay. Uh, okay. So R and dt is not given. Okay. So but he is given work done. So what is the work done? 200 joules. But look at here, work done. Can I write PdV here? So can I write this is nRdt also? nRdt also, since I have taken n1, no need to take also, so I can take nRdt as work, which is equal to 200. So if I substitute on it 200 joules nRdt into gamma is how much? 1.4 by 1.4 minus 1, which means you will get 200 to 1.4 by 0.4, cancel, so 50, so right, so 14 into 14 into 50 is 700 joules. You will get 700 joules is your answer. Option 4 is the option correct. So check this. Whoever done this question, 700 joules is the correct answer. Okay. So next, coming to the next question. So he's saying the source produces electromagnetic wave of frequencies given 60 megahertz. Find the wavelength of this wave in a vacuum in meters. Okay. So very simple question. Frequency is given 60 megahertz. So he's asking wavelength c by mu. C by lambda equal to c by mu. 3 into 10 power 8. Frequency is given 60 into 10 power 6. So power cancel here. Power 2 will be there here 1 by 20. So which means you will write it as like a 1010 get cancel. 0.5 into 10 decimal cancel. It is a 5. Okay. So option 3 is your answer. So please check everyone. If you have done this option 5, 3 is the correct, then that answer will be your. So now look at next question. A bulb of power is given 40 watt. How much power is given? 40 watt. This question is from the okay, photoelectric effect. So now look at here. Producing a light of wavelength 4000 angstrom. So wavelength is given 4000 angstrom. So which means 4 into 10 power minus 7 meter. Okay. So he is asking find the number of photons emitted by the bulb per second. So he is asking number of photons emitted per second, which we represent n, number of photons per second, which you know the power by energy, which means power by hc into lambda. So substitute here 40 into lambda is already given, 4 into 10 power minus 7, h you already know 6.6 into 10 power minus 34, c you know already 3 into 10 power 8. If you cancel out this, You will get 8 into 10 power 8, 19 is your answer. Okay. Whoever get this option will be correct. 10 power 16 is the wrong. 10 power 19 is the correct. Okay. Hope you understand this question also. So next question. This question is from the electrostatic. Okay, current electricity. So look at the question is little bit tricky, but you have to understand first. So if you see here, there is a Wheatstone bridge connected here, 4 ohm. Here 4 microfarad capacitor connected. Here 6 microfarad capacitor, and here 4 ohm and 6 ohm. And in center, 2 ohm resistance of galvanometer is connected. 2 ohm resistance of galvanometer is connected. Okay. So listen here. He is given galvanometer. Galvanometer has a resistance 2 ohm, which is given. Find the ratio of charge stored in 4 microfarad to the 6 microfarad. So charge stored by 4 microfarad, 4 microfarad to the charge stored by 6 microfarad is his question. Okay. Now try to look at here. First thing, if you here 6 volt battery is connected, I think it is not visible. 6 volt battery. Okay. So when the current flows through in this circuit, the current will divide it here. Okay, surely. But the thing is, d this is capacitor, 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 right? But you have given what source? DC source. What is the frequency of DC source? 0. Then what is the capacitive reactance? Reactance means resistance, indirectly resistance. 2 pi Fc. So what is F? I mean frequency. So what is your frequency? 0. 1 by 0, which means the capacitor doesn't allow current to pass through it. It shows infinite resistance for the uh, current. So the current doesn't flow through it. I hope you understood the logic here. So how the current will flow then? The current will flow through A in this path. Okay, and the current will come down and current will go from here. Okay, this is the way current will go. So in that case, if current will flow in such a way, which means in that case what you can see here, you can observe here that this 4 ohm resistor and galvanometer having 2 ohm resistor and this 6 ohm resistor all are in series. You understand? So series means 4 plus 2 plus 6, which will give you 12 ohm. So what is the total resistance? 12 ohm. What is the total voltage? 6 volt. What is the current flows in the circuit? 6 by 12, 1 by 2, 0.5 ampere. Okay. So now 0.5 ampere current is flowing now in the circuit. Now look at here. He is asking charge stored under. So what is the formula for charge? CV. This is a general formula. C is given already. V we don't know. V is nothing but a potential difference across these 2 points for this capacitor. For these 2 points for this capacitor. So now look at here. If you take in 4 microfarad capacitor, this terminal is A, this terminal is C. The potential difference across this is same as the potential difference across the remaining part, which means here 4 ohm is there, here 4 ohm is there, and here galvanometer is there. I mean, I'm saying here A to B, B to C. A to B, B to C. What potential drop will be there? The same potential drop will be appeared on this capacitor. I hope you understood. So first calculate what is the potential drop in 4 ohm. So V in 4 ohm is V4 into I 0.5, which means 2 volt. A to B, this is A to B, and B to C, how much? Resistance to current is 0.5, total is 1 volt. So what potential drop between A to C that you wanted? A to C is nothing but 2 plus 1 equal to 3 volt. So 3 volt here. Okay, next similarly, if you do potential difference between a C to D, how much come? 6 into 0.5, which means 3 volt. So what potential for the second capacitor? What is the potential difference you have to take from B to D? So which means B to D. So B to C you already know 3 volt. B to C already you know 3 volt, and C to D again 3 volt. Total 3 plus 3 6 volt. Okay. I hope you understood. One is 3 volt. B2C is, this is the A to C, right? A to C. It is A to C. B to C is 1 volt. So 1 volt plus 3 volt total 4 volt. 4 volt. Okay. So now look at here. Just you solve here that their charges, ratio charges, you will get the answer. Okay. So what is the first one? Of 4 microfarad, right? So capacitor in charge stored in 4 microfarad. C we write. C is 4 microfarad. V is how much? So this is A to CK. A to C is 3 volt by, so you can write here, is equal to 6. This is 4, this is 6. Okay, ratio. How much this is? Capacitance is 6 microfarad and potential drop is 4. 4 4 get cancelled. This is 1 by 2. Your answer is 1 by 2. Option 1 is your answer. Whoever keep this will be your correct answer. Okay. Hope you understand that question. So now look at the next question. This is a very easy question which was taken from the 11th. So he is given a velocity, asking acceleration. But velocity is a function of x, not a function of time. Okay. So you, I mean, no need to do dv by dt. You have to do another formula, direct formula, v dv by dx. V is already 4 root x. dv by dx 4 into 1 by 2 root x. Root x get cancelled. 2 2s are 2 into 4 8. So your answer is 8 meter per second square is your answer. Okay. So next question, if you see here, so if you see here, here is given two forces, 6i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap and 2i, this. Two forces acting on this mass 4 kg. Find the acceleration of the body. So the thing is, you have to find force by m, but he is not giving that any information that forces are acting like opposite. So not given, so you take forces are acting on the mass, same direction. Okay. So F1, F2. So just add them. So vectorically you add them. So 6i plus 2i, 8i, 3i plus 4j, 3j plus 4j, 3j plus 1j, 4j plus 1k plus 3k, 4k. Mass is how much? 4. So if you do this, 4 common, so 2i cap plus j cap plus k cap by 4 4 get cancelled. Your acceleration is 2i cap j cap plus k cap. But he is given in terms of acceleration in terms of magnitude. So it will give you 4 plus 1 plus 1, which will be root 6. So option 2 is your answer. That is your answer. So next, after this, take this another question. A disk of mass m. So there is a disk is given of mass m, radius r. Okay, rolling on a fixed inclined surface with velocity v. So it is rolling on fixed inclined surface. The velocity v. Okay, v, which is the center of mass velocity, is m. If it start moving upward, imagine you take this your inclined motion like this. Okay, you take upward on an incline. Find the height achieved by the disk before coming to rest. So you just need to find h, how much height it achieved before coming to the rest. So anyway here finally the disk is coming to the rest, right? So now look at it. Simple trick for this question is nothing but you take the conservation of energy at this two location. Okay, so you take the first total energy at down while it is rolling and total energy at here. So what is the total energy? The energy, kinetic energy due to rotation plus kinetic energy due to translatory motion is equal to final point kinetic energy 0 and potential energy mgh. So rotational kinetic energy 1 by 2 I omega square, translatory kinetic energy 1 by 2 mv square equal to mgh. So first thing, this is the disk. What is the moment of inertia of disk? Disk moment of inertia is mr square by 2. So 1 by 2 I is mr square by 2. What is the angular velocity of the disk? Angular velocity of the disk is given as v by r. So you can write v square by r square since square is there, plus 1 by 2 m v square equal to mgh. Right? So now look at here. So what will be here? Now you can see here. So m cancel. R square get cancel. You will get v square by 4 plus v square by 2 is equal to gh. So LCM 4, it will be v square plus 2v square to gh. So which means your h equal to 3 v square by 4, g goes this side 14. So your option 1 will be correct. Okay, whoever got this option, that will be your correct answer. So hope you understand this, guys. So next question is from the uh, solids. So very easy question which just you can solve very fast. So he is saying that two wires identical Young's modulus. So that is a constant. Area of cross section also identical. Length also identical. Both wires are in the below given arrangement. So you have to find a strain in the one ratio of strain. So you know the Young's modulus equal to stress by strain. So you can write here strain equal to stress by Young's modulus. So what is your stress? Force by area into Young's modulus. So that will give you a strain. So now on the basis, here what are the constant? Here you can see here area is constant. Here area is constant. What is that? Here area also constant, and Young's modulus both are constant. So you can write strain is directly proportional to force. So now on this basis, strain and one y, so the strain in second y is equal to, what is the force? F1 by F2. What is the force experienced by first wire? 1 plus 2, which means 3 kg. 3 mass into g, and second wire 1 g. So your answer is 3 is to 1. So option 2 is your answer. I hope you understand this question. Next question, if you go, this question is on a balancing Wheatstone bridge. So very simple question. So if you look at in the question, here 2 ohm is connected, here R is connected, which is unknown resistor, a galvanometer is connected. He is given that 40 centimeter is the balancing length from A. So he's saying that if another 2 ohm is connected in parallel, another 2 ohm is connected in parallel with R, then change in balancing length from A. That is what he's asking. So you have to do, there is a something balancing length will come from that from 40, that balancing length. If you do that, that will be your answer. Okay, so you have to find that X balancing length when you connect this. So first, before doing that, given 40 centimeter, you do that, so that what is his intention is given, his initial idea is that you have to find R value. So take a balancing condition, 2 by R is equal to 40 by L by 100 minus L, right? 60. So you will write it is 2 by 3. So 2 to get cancelled. So you will write from here R equal to 3 ohm. First idea. Next idea, what is that here? Connecting 2 ohm. So that time, second idea, what is your 2 by your parallel connection, right? How much? R is how much? 3. Okay. So R is 3 more. 3. So what is the equivalent of this two? 6 by 5, right? 6 by 5. Equivalent is how much? 6 by 5. 6 by 5 parallel connection is equal to some x length into 100 minus x length, which we do. That is what we are finding. So you will write it is 10 by 6 equal to x by 100 minus x. So this will be 5 by 3. So multiply, cross multiply, you will get how much? 500 minus 5x equal to 3x. So you can write 500 equal to 8x. So if you write here x equal to how much? 500 by 8. So 8, you can cancel this. 8 6 are 48. So remaining 2 will be there. 8 2s are 16. Remaining 4 will be there. 8 5. So 62.5. So your answer is 62.5 minus 40 is nothing but 22.5 is your answer. So option 2 is the answer. Whoever gave this question, this option, that will be correct. Okay. The next question. This question is from the surface tension. Every time there will be one question from the surface tension. So you have to prepare this topic very well. So he is telling that surface energy. Okay, surface tension, surface energy. So you know that first thing, surface energy formula is surface tension into change in area or area. Surface tension into area, change in area. So the thing is here is given that a big drop is formed by collapsing thousand small drop of water. Okay, first thing you give a idea, first make an idea. There are thousand small drops. How many? Thousand. How much radius are every drop you take is identical. Every radius is r. So when you combine this thousand drop to a big drop of take a constant radius, so there will be this will be a spherical water drop. So what is the volume of this? 4 by 3 pi r. And if you take a volume of individual, how much? 4 by 3 pi small r. How many there? 1000 is. If you multiply 1000, then you will get total volume of all 1000. And if you equate the both will be equal. This is what volume conservation always valid in this case. Okay, when the small drops, a small amount of, small drops making big drops, or big drops breaking big drops form small drop. In that case, volume conservation is your hint starting point that it will always obeys. Okay, conservation of value. So here 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi you can take. So you can take your R value. R value you don't know it. Capital R value is 10 R whole cube into whole power 1 by 3. I hope you understood this step. This step. So 10 power 3 R power 3. I have wrote 10 R whole power 3, and the power comes this side. This will be cancelled. So your radius is 10 times the R. Okay, that is the first step. Next, he is asking surface energy, right? So surface energy formula. What is the surface energy? Surface tension into area. So here you can take here directly formula from the surface energy of big drop to the surface energy of small drop is nothing but a surface tension of water only. Big or small, both are water only, so it is constant. No need to consider, just area. So what is that? Pi r square, 4 pi r square, spherical drop. So 4 pi also constant. Just take capital R cube by small r. Capital R cube, what is that? 10 r whole cube by r cube, which will get uh, 1000 r cube by r cube. Listen here, this r cube is the surface energy of one drop, but we need 1000 drop. So we have to multiply in denominator into 1000 into 1000. Okay. So I hope we have done correct. Sorry, we have done wrong. So 4 pi r square, right? So here r square, r square. So here square. So here how many? 100 square, r square. So this will give you r square get cancelled. 100 into 10 is 1000. So 1 by 10 is your answer. So option 1 will be your answer. You know this, right? Area surface tension into 4 pi r square. I done r cube, but actually formula is r square. Okay. So that is the answer for that question. Whoever done the first option, that will be your answer. Okay, not second option. Please check that. So next question, if you see here, this is from the gravitational. Okay, Kepler's third law. So see this. He is saying that if a force acting on a planet is proportional to r power minus 2 by 7. So he is saying the force acting is directly proportional to r power minus 2 by 7, where r is the distance between the planet from the sun. If time period is proportional to r power x, he is saying if time period is proportional to r power x, then what is the x value? That is the question. So this question is very simple. You just need to start from this given statement. So if you write, if you see this question, ultimately is asking time. So try to make time term from this given statement. So if you write here, the planet always revolves around the sun in a circular arc. So circular motion topic will be there here. So what is the force in circular motion? Centripetal force. How much? M omega square r. That is your centripetal force in terms of time. If you want to write, which is directly proportional to r power 2 by 7. So anyway, mass is you are not going to take because proportionality only here. So I can take here omega is 2 pi by t whole square directly proportional to r power minus 2 by 7. So anyway into r is there, okay, sorry. So 1 by t square is directly proportional to r power minus 2 by 7. If I take this r down, r. So from here if I write t square, which comes as r by r power minus 2 by 7. If I write t square, how much? R power 1. If I take upside, 2 by 7. T square is how much? R power 9 by 7. If I take t, because is given here, t is r directly from r power x. That is the final answer. In x place, what will come? That is his asking. So if you do that, r power 9 by 7 into 1 by 2, which means 1 by 9, 1 by 9 by 7 into 1 by 2. 9 by, so this will be 9 by 14. So your option 2 will be answer. Whoever done this, that will be correct answer. Okay. So next question, if you see here, so again this one is again easy question. A block of mass m is connected to a spring. So the time period of its oscillation is given t. Find the time period if 9m mass is connected instead of m mass with the same spring. So now look at this is a spring pendulum question. If a block of mass m is connected, what is the time period? 2 pi under root of m by k. It is telling that if a block of mass 9m is connected to the same spring instead of m, then what is your time period? T dash equal to 2 pi under root of 9m by k. Okay. T dash equal to what you can write? 3 into 2 pi under root of m by k. So what you can write? 3 into this will nothing but of t. So what is asking? Find the time period if 9m is connected. Okay. So you can write from here, from this statement, you can write t dash equal to 3 into t. Right? T dash equal to 3 into t. I hope I'm doing correct. Okay. Yes. So he is asking that here, if you do t by t dash, how much you will get? 1 by 3. So your answer will be 1 will be your answer. Okay. So next, look at this question. This is again 11th question, which is a impulse question. The mass of 120 gram moving with a velocity 25 millimeter per second, stopped by an external force F in 0.1 second. So find the value of F. So nothing but a impulse. Force into time is nothing but a change in movement. So what is the force is asking? Time is given 0.1. Change in momentum, final momentum will be 0, initial momentum will be non-zero. So anyway, momentum is nothing but mass into velocity. Mass is 120 by 1000. Okay. Gram is given, so kg I have multiplied into velocity 25, which means nothing but a 25 into what is it? 40. 0 0 get cancelled. This will be 3 times. Then you will write F equal to 3 by 0.1 with 30. Very simple question. Option be your answer. Okay. I hope you understand this question. Next question, if you see here, this will be again very simple question. He is saying that find charge on a capacitor at the steady state. This capacitor time 10 microfarad. Here 10 volt battery is connected. 4 ohm resistor is here. 6 ohm resistor here. In capacitor series 5 ohm resistor. So now look at here. So what is the logic in this question? First logic is steady state. Okay, steady state. Steady state means imagine it's like a capacitor when it fully charged. It just uh, behaves as a normal current, normal wire. Okay, just steady state. It will fully charge. So what do you have to do? You please don't take steady state. And one more thing, steady state means frequency is 0. Yes sir, DC steady state. That time again capacitive reactance is again infinity, so it doesn't allow current to pass through. First thing, okay. Now listen. Then how the current will flow? Current will flow through this down through the 6 ohm, and it will go to the again 4 ohm and it will. So in that case, the 6 ohm and 4 ohm both are in series. The total resistance is 10 ohm. Total battery is 10 volt. Current is 10 volt by 10 ohm, which means 1 ampere. So how much potential difference here? Here how much potential difference in that case? 6 volt. 6 volt, how much potential difference? I hope you can see here. 4 ohm. Here 4 ohm. Here 6 ohm. Here 12 volt. How much voltage difference here? Potential equal to IR 1 into 6, IR 6 volt. So across these two ends, 6 volt potential difference. which means across the middle, here capacitor also connected, right? Here resistor. Here across these 2 points, also same 6 volt difference will be there, potential difference. In that case, you just asking the charge, right? C into V. What is your C? 10 microcoulomb. 10 into V is how much? 6. Total is 60 microcoulomb is your answer. Option first is your answer. I hope you understand this question. I hope you know about the steady state. Okay. If not know, please see this. Steady state means frequency 0, reactance infinite, so no electricity. I mean no current pass. Next one. This question is from the transformer. Transformer is always important topic. You need to go through it. Very easy question is given that efficiency of transformer is 80% and input voltage is given. V primary is 10 volt and input power also given. Input power is 4 kilowatt. Output current is asking. IS is asking. Output voltage is given. Just formula, efficiency equal to P out by P in. Okay. So anyway, efficiency is directly given in percentage. I will take 80 by 100 equal to P out means VIS into secondary. P is equal to VI, that also you know. VIB or VI, IS into VS by IP into VB. Okay. So if you do here, what will come? IS is asking, right? 80 by 100 into IP PP by VS. So 0.8 into IP is how much given? Input IP is not given, but you can take it as input power is given. So input power I will write. So PI. So 4 kilowatt by VS is how much? 240. So if I do here, second let me do here. On substituting this all, non cancelling here, how much you will get means. Let me do here. How much you will get means 0.8 into 4 into 10 power 3 by 240. So this 2 decimal will be in denominator. Power 10 power 2 will come, this 0 and this 0. Here 10 power 3 is there, so remaining 1 will be there. 6 times 4 6 are 24 and this will be 4 by 3. I hope you understand. 4 by 3 into 10 power 1 into 10, which means 40 by 3 ampere is your current. First option is correct. Hope you understand this again. The next one now. Next one, if you see here, it's a galvanometer question. So look at here. He is given very simple question, just the condition of the galvanometer. So he is saying for a moving coil galvanometer, deflection in the coil is given. So he is given theta 0.05 radian. Current is 10 milliampere. So he is given I. And torsional constant is given 4 into 10 power minus 5. See, magnetic field is given 0.01 T. Number of turns is given N equal to this. So he is asking area in centimeters square. So what is the condition? Okay, we know that the restoring torque, the torque due to coil Z is equal to restoring torque. So what is the torque? Ni AB is equal to C theta. So he is asking A. So you will get C theta by N I B. Okay. So what is your C? 4 into 10 power minus. Theta is how much? 0.05 radian. N is how much? 200 turn. Current is how much? 10 milliampere. 10 into 10 power minus 3. Magnetic is how much? 0.01. Okay. If you cancel out this all, what you will get is, I hope you will get the 3 is the answer, I guess. No? So if you cancel out this all, you will get cancellation. 3 is your answer. Okay. 3, not 3. If you cancel out this all, you will get 1. 1 is your 1 centimeter square is your answer. Okay, this option. Okay, just do the cancellation. So next, another question from the galvanometer. Resistance of the galvanometer G when it is converted into ammeter. First thing, you know the circuit of ammeter. When a galvanometer is connected here, want to convert a galvanometer to ammeter, you have to connect a small resistance which is called shunt resistor. Okay, yes, shunt resistor of yes, okay. So there will be Ig galvanometer current will be flowing here and Is shunt resistor current will be flowing here. So he's saying that here 5% of total current passes through the galvanometer coil. Find the shunt resistor. Okay, he's saying that only 5% of current flowing here. Okay, total current. Then how much percentage of current here flows? 95% of total current. So can I read 5% is 5 by 100? Yes or no? Of total current. Total current you can take I here. Okay, here you can take I. Here I can write I. So here how much? 95 by 100 to I. That is I can. So now he is asking shunt resistor value. So in that case, you see here galvanometer and this shunt resistor both are in what connection? Parallel connection. So parallel potential drop across galvanometer and shunt resistor is equal. Potential drop across galvanometer equal to potential drop across shunt resistor. What is the potential drop across galvanometer? Current through the galvanometer into resistance through the galvanometer. Similarly, potential drop across shunt resistor, current through the shunt into shunt resistor. So you want S, right? So S equal to what do you write? Ig into G by I. Ig is how much? 5 by 100 into I into G by Is is how much? 95 by 100 to I cancel, 100 cancel. So how much? You will write this is how many times? 19 times and 5 19s. The answer is G by 19 is your yes. Hope you understood option. What is your answer for this question? Okay. We understand this question. Next question will come here. So theoretical question. Just see that. Choose the correct statement. Angular momentum of orbiting electron is integral multiple of which class? Yes. Both model of the system. Okay. Orbiting electron. Okay. So nuclear force does not follow inverse Square law. Yes. Nuclear force dependent on spin. Yes. Independent on charge. Okay. Spin dependent. Nuclear force is independent on nature of nuclear. Yes. Stability of nucleus depends on packing fraction. No. Stability is depend on binding energy per nuclei. Okay. Okay. That is all. Okay. So option A, B, C, D all are correct. Okay. A, B, C, D is correct. Not E. That is your option. And another question. Look at here. Another question from the Bohr's model. So he's saying here in a transition from n equal to 2 to n equal to 1 in an hydrogen atom, emitted frequency is f naught. The frequency for the transition n equal to 3 to n equal to 1 is asked. So just again it is a comparison, comparing question only. So we know that energy equal to what is that? R z square 1 by n 2 square minus 1 by n. Okay, this is the formula. So he is given frequency. Frequency is nothing but energy. You can write h mu or h f. He is given in f, right? Given in f, right? H f. So according to that, if I take in from 2 to 1 transition, this is my n1, this is n2. Okay. So h f naught is the frequency emitted, that is given here. So our hydrogen atom Z is 1, so no need to consider. 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square. So you will write R into 1 minus 1 by, you will write how much frequency? Frequency HF naught equal to, right, 3R by, right? Similarly, 3 to 1 transition. So in that case, HF, you take another frequency R. This is N1, this is N2. Okay. 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 3 square and 9. Which will write again, right? What is it? Sorry. Will write 9 minus 1, 8R by 9. Okay, so he is asking just frequency ratio, right? He is asking just frequency ratio. Security, So first, this one is the first equation, this is second equation consider, and 1 by 2 you can do, you will get it. Okay. So HF naught by HF is equal to 3R by 4 by 8r by 9. So the r get cancelled, h get cancelled. So 9 goes upside, 3 come, 4 come this side. So 27, 9 into 2, 27, 8 into 4, 30. Okay. So what is your new frequency? Okay, new frequency is asking, right? Cross multiplication. So equal to, or here let's write cross multiplication goes up, this comes down. What is that? F equal to 32 by 27. Option 3 is your answer. I hope you understand. So these questions I have taken, and these whichever I given the question answers are absolutely correct. So if you like this session, please share and subscribe, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.